失うことに慣れた他人事な独り言不鮮明なリアリズム自分事じゃないかな名前のない悲しみたちを消え去って目が遠な夢に包まれた抱きしめ合えたなら少しは楽になれたかな生まれ変わる日々の
you all the workshop on mobile app development, which is an event in collaboration with Google Developer Student Club. You all must be excited for this workshop, but before starting the workshop, I would like to let you know what is MCC-SVVV. So MCC-SVVV, which is also known as Microsoft Campus Club of Sri Vaishnav Vidyapit Vishwavidyalaya, is the official technical club of a university formed in the year 2017 with the motto to aware, inspire, and ignite. Our club has the motive to raise awareness in the students within our reach, to inspire them so that they may ignite their passion about technology. If you want to connect with us, we have a Discord channel and WhatsApp group where you can get more information about our future events and connect with our tech savvy members. I'll be dropping the links in the chat box for sure and for your convenience. But now you must be thinking, well, what is GDSC-SVVV then, right? So let me call the lead of GDSC Club to introduce themselves. Mr. Tanish Pradhan, the virtual stage is all yours.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for the introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Tanish Pradhan, and I am the new GDSC-SVVV lead for the year 2021 and 22. I will give you a short brief on what is GDSC. So, GDSC is a community-based student group for college students powered by Google developers that allow students to build their technical skills and contribute to community projects. It is free and open to all. And our main goal is to bridge the gap between knowledge and skills, theory and practice for student developers. DSC provides resources to the students from any academic domain. Joining DSC will build your professional and personal network by learning from experts, getting access to Google resources for learning, and of course, lots of swags and goodies from workshop and webinar. So I'm glad that all of you have made the presence of yours in this live event of mobile app development. Now I would request Robin sir and Advit sir to please continue the event. Thank you.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Robin Singh Chauhan, and I'm a mobile app developer. And today we are here for the Flutter Workshop. So today we are going to do a hands-on on building a mobile application. But first, I would like my colleague Advit Kale to present some of the apps which we have built using Flutter. So, Advit. Yes, it's visible.
Okay, so let's begin. First, let's see what Flutter is. On the official website of Flutter, we can see all the details we need. Flutter actually is a framework which is based on Dart programming language. Now, Dart is also object-oriented programming language. Uh, are you familiar with Java or any other object-oriented programming language? So it will be easy for you to adjust Dart. Dart is basically a easy to use language, and Flutter is based on Dart, and we can create mobile applications, both Android and iOS. Also, currently in Flutter 2.0 version, the most recent version, you can also create desktop applications like Windows applications, Linux, or also you can also create applications. So Flutter basically works on widgets and manages state. Also, in Flutter applications, there is a everything is drawn on the screen. You can say everything is painted. A screen basically is a canvas. As you can see in this GIF, the whole screen is a canvas where we paint our widgets and images. So if a single widget is painted, you will also need to repaint it if any updates occur. So that is managed by states in Flutter. Let me show you a demo application that what Flutter can create. Me and Robin have actually created an app called Finco, which handle people's finances. So let me show you that application. Hold on. Robin, can you connect your phone?
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm just
Okay.
connecting. Yeah, I am connected from the phone. Okay, I will just share my screen to present the app. So yeah, so first of all, this is the logo of our app. So I'm just going to open it. This was the loading screen which we created for fetching the context. So whenever you download our app, the first thing it asks for the permission, but I've already given it the permission to fetch the context, so it doesn't ask for the permission now. So what happens is, like, whenever you allow the permission, the context get fetched to the app, and then the main purpose of this app is to give reviews based on the financial reviews. So like this is a search box which we created, and using it, I'm going to just go for Advait. And here, as you can see, there are no reviews available for Advait right now. So what I can do is just click on the plus button, and then I can give him a rating like based on my experience with Advait regarding finances and everything. So I can just say like good, and then I can just publish the feedback. And as soon as it's done, it gets stored on the database, which here we are using Firebase, but you can use various other databases along with Flutter. There's no issues in that. You can use MySQL, NoSQL, the Firebase, MongoDB, entirely up to you. Just create the APIs and integrate it, and you can directly use them. So here, like you can see, the review gets posted, which is good. So using that, this was the main idea regarding the application, that you can give financial reviews to the people you have contacts, and then you can get the average rating on the top, and you can also update change the review to 2. And if I just click on like say bad and publish it, so the review gets updated and I get it as bad. So this was just a pretty basic application which we created. Also there was, yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, so actually, can you give a review to a common person because I cannot access my profile from here?
Sure. So I will just give like here we had already given two of the things. So I will just write here good and again just publish it.
Okay, so if I type the string and change the string now, reload, Robin. Can you refresh now?
Sure.
So the U part is from the user you created, and the other part is the value which I added from my web device, which gets printed hi Robin and the rating. So this is the power of Flutter, which we can create 60 FPS applications easily. And so without further wasting your time, we can start with hands-on. Can you reply everyone in the chat that who are interested in working hands-on application? Okay, Swayam is ready. Hemant is also ready. I will be giving basics of how Flutter work while developing applications, so you don't need to worry about the theory part. Vikram asked, do we need any prerequisites? Yes, you need a Visual Studio Code or Android Studio, both will work. Also, you will need to install Flutter and Dart in your system, which is not difficult to install. Okay, so quite a few people are ready for hands-on. Um, Karandev, Android phone or Android Studio? Karandev?
I guess this let's make this a bit clear. So like all the applications which you build using Android Studio and integrated with like you have installed Flutter as well. No, not exactly the phone. You can't build Flutter apps with your phone. You need a laptop and any IDE along with Flutter installed and Dart installed so that you can create some Android apps. So, Advait, I guess you can share the screen. I will just answer the questions till then.
Okay.
So, what is
I'm
special about
setting up the
Flutter?
things. You can answer everyone until then.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So, as you can see, like if you check our profiles, I am also a Java developer as well as a Flutter developer. So, the thing which I faced while shifting from Java to Flutter, like not shifting, I learned both the technologies. So, Flutter can be used to create cross-platform applications. So, like even if you want to create two applications but using the same code base, then Flutter is going to be used because you are going to write less code but can run on not on both platforms like iOS platform, uh, Android platform. You can even now create web apps using the same code base. You just need to do some slight changes and the same code can be run on both the platforms. But yeah, Java has its own benefits, but the main benefit of Flutter is one more feature, which is hot reload. So as soon as you're doing the code, then you can just use the hot reload, like save the code which you have and it will just show you how the code is looking on your phone or on which application you are making. So that's some features of the Flutter which make it uh, what Flutter is all about. So yeah, that was the main feature which makes